Okay guys, so welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you the latest and greatest update for aiomatic, and this feature will bring massive changes to OmniBlocks. So starting from this latest update of aiomatic, you will be able to run OmniBlocks one by one, and let me show you this feature in action. So actually we would be able until now to create OmniBlocks. So for example, I have here these OmniBlocks which create a post title, create an article, feature the image and publish the post. And now I will add a keyword to this OmniBlock sequence. So for example, baking the best cake. Just some random idea. And now we have created the OmniBlock rule, and we have now this OmniBlock sequence which will run automatically to create a post for us. However, if we wish, we can also run the OmniBlocks manually. So each OmniBlock will be able to be ran manually. But keep in mind, if you run this, the second OmniBlock, it will not run on just by itself, but it will run also the OmniBlocks which are found on the top of it. So the processing will start from the top and will end with the OmniBlock that you ran. So all OmniBlocks from the top will run when you run an OmniBlock from the bottom part of the page. So let me show you this in action. Let's run the first OmniBlock to create a post title. So we run this OmniBlock, and here it is, processing, please wait. And the shortcodes that this OmniBlock will create will have this value. For example, we have a quick button to copy the result, and also we can run manually the second OmniBlock, create an article about a keyword. So let's run this OmniBlock. So note that now the top OmniBlock will run and it will generate the title, and afterwards this OmniBlock will run to get the content that we want. This is required because each OmniBlock can use the shortcodes that it generates in OmniBlocks that are after the current OmniBlock. So if I have an OmniBlock that generates some ideas for a keyword, the result can be used in OmniBlocks which come after the current OmniBlock. So this OmniBlock will generate content, and the content can be used in subsequent OmniBlocks from the bottom part. This is why OmniBlocks need to run from top to bottom. And if we run, for example, the OmniBlock for post saving, yes, the post will actually be saved in your database, and all the OmniBlocks from the top part of it will be executed before the saving post OmniBlock will get executed. And the save post OmniBlock will show us actually the ID of the created post and the URL of the created post. So these two shortcodes are currently added to the publish post OmniBlock. And if we wait a bit more, we will see the result, and we will be able also to access the created post. So this will allow you guys to manually run the OmniBlocks and manually get the content created by the specific OmniBlocks, and even check the results that they provide. So this is the post ID and URL which was created. Okay, now let me show you more examples. So we have here also load file content OmniBlocks. If we add a new OmniBlock to our queue and add it in a position here on the top, note that we will not be able to run it until we are not saving the content of the OmniBlocks changes. So OmniBlock rule changes that we made need to be saved before we can run the OmniBlock. Also, if we do changes to ordering, you will see that the run now will be also be executed only if after you save things. So this is very important. You can see that you can also get you will see this is the content of the file that I selected here in the file loading OmniBlock, and you can visualize how the shortcode will be used when you get an OmniBlock result. So if you use this shortcode anywhere in OmniBlocks below this ID OmniBlock, then you will get this result in the shortcode. Okay, so there will be many OmniBlock types. You can see product details. Let me add an Amazon product detail, for example, here to the top, just to be sure that we don't execute also other OmniBlocks when we get its result. And baking the best cake actually might not get many results from Amazon. Yeah, failed to run OmniBlock because Amazon did not provide any results for this keyword. However, let us change it to laptop, and in this case we should get a result. So we enter the keyword in the scene or keyword search. Yeah, this is also something that needs to be done. And we save settings, and now we can run this. Now the plugin will actually search Amazon, and it should provide us with results based on its findings. So here it is: product title, laptop, Acer Aspire, description, product URL, price, listing price, image, and so on. Okay, so you will be able to get all the results and all the specifics that OmniBlocks create, and even visualize them using this new feature of the plugin. So you can also translate, spin, YouTube search, and many more OmniBlocks types will be able to be used with this new feature. So go ahead guys and check it. You will be able to run OmniBlocks manually, and keep in mind that only OmniBlocks that are on top of the OmniBlock that you currently are running will be executed. The OmniBlocks which are below the executed OmniBlock will not run anymore, and this will save up also credits for your usage. So if you want to run this OmniBlock, only the first two OmniBlocks will be executed, and this OmniBlocks results will be shown to you. Okay, so let me know what you think of this new feature of aiomatic. OmniBlocks got improved, and in my opinion this is a really big update, and yeah, it should help you guys a lot. So if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Any idea and suggestion is welcome. Thanks for watching until then. Like, share, subscribe, it really helps me grow. This is all for today. Bye bye.